Hi, come here.
Cheese.
Hi, friends. Cheese. Hey, friends. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Michelle. I am a stay-at-home mom, a wife. I have a daughter named Luna. I have in-laws living with me, so I have a full house. And in today's video, I want to share with you some of the things that I've tried during quarantine with food coloring, edible Play-Doh, and edible paint. She likes to put everything in her mouth, and so I really wanted something where I felt comfortable if she were to put something in her mouth. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, you play with mommy's hair?
Oh.
Yeah. That is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So please subscribe, like, comment, share, and let's get into the video. Blue, red, yellow. And this is day 2, so they're still pliable, like the first day. No. This next activity that I want to share with you guys is a colorful yogurt type of, what is it? What the heck do you call this? Yogurt mixed with food coloring so she can kind of paint with it. or mixed with the colors and she can eat it. So I've done this before and she really liked it. So I'm gonna do it today. It's after lunch. She's ready to play. And she loves the camera, so you guys will see. Okay, so I'm done mixing these. And let's see. Oh, I should give it to you a bit. What is this? Blue, yellow, green, red. Look, we can mix colors. Ooh, yellow and blue makes. Oh! Oops, sorry. Okay, so this is the next activity. What I would basically do is put water in here along with the food coloring, and I freeze it in these popsicle molds. And then I get a piece of white paper, and then she can color it. But she really enjoys it, so you guys will see that. Final results. Aren't these gorgeous? Aren't they pretty? You love them? Oh, okay. You want to frame these? Your masterpieces? Oh, that's blue. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yes, you guys, those were all of the activities that I found online that I wanted to try to just do something different in the house so she can see some colors, play with her hands. And so these 3 activities were something that I found online. They were inspired by other bloggers. And so I will list everything down in the description box. So this is something that, you know, I bought the food coloring at Target, the Popsicle Mold at on Amazon. And so you can find a lot of these things at different stores. It's very cheap. So I wanted to keep this like where you can find something in your cabinet, just do something at home instead of going out so much. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you are looking for more motherhood and lifestyle videos, subscribe today, like this video, comment and share, and let me know what other videos you want to see next. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.